Hey gang, Zippo. This is a quick video. We're out in the garage showing you guys a couple of stacks, and the reason for it is my buddy Boneyard just put a stack on his Jacobson, and he had a little mishap. He broke the manifold. Fortunately, he didn't break the block, but it's one of the things that you guys have got to pay real close attention to when you're doing any kind of a stack. Now I've got this stack locked down. If you look against the block, you'll see a lock ring. I'm gonna come over here. And hopefully you'll be able to see we've got a lock ring there too. Those lock rings, they allow you to run your exhaust pipe in and leave it a little bit loose, but lock it to the block without running the risk of either A, breaking out the exhaust port, or B, breaking the manifold like my buddy Boneyard did. And the main reason that I wanted to shoot this video was just to help him for future projects. And I would think that with the hoard that his dad had of parts, there should be a lot of those Briggs OEM locks, but if not, electrical conduit, when you're installing electrical conduit, they also have those little locks, and you can get those for, I don't know, like 5 of them for a couple or $3, and it's just peace of mind. Helps keep you from busting up your exhaust. So I obviously need to get out here and run these guys, don't I? But he likes stacks just like I like stacks, and also like to keep things braced up real well. You want to be sure that things are braced good so that you're not letting the weight of the stacks compromise your engine block. And since he's got his run directly into his engine block right now, that's another one of the must-dos whenever doing a stack, is making sure that you've got them braced down really good to the engine. Just about pick these things up with the braces that I've got on these. Nice thick heavy braces mounted directly to the blocks. Looks like I need to polish my shift lever. But to keep from droning on, we're going to end it there. We are still on lockdown. I am practicing social distancing and have been pretty much since the end of July. Miss Zippo is now working a swing shift with 1/4 of the workforce at work, practicing closed office spaces and sanitation on everything, making sure that everyone's staying safe. She's in the medical billing profession, so her job is considered necessary. She's got a wonderful owner. The owner of the business, they're not working 40 hours a week, but the owner is paying the employees that volunteered to work 40 hours a week, so makes it really nice. It's an adjustment though, because she's working from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Getting her half-hour lunch and still receiving an 8-hour a day salary. So it's really nice. You guys see I've got all my babies in a row here. They've all been started. They've all been run around the block a few times. I do need to pull the carburetor on Onyx and get it cleaned up. I've had to do that since I got it. I also need to rejet it a little bit because of the more open exhaust. Mr. Major, I'm still waiting on him to decide what he wants to do with Willie back there, the 75 Goldwing. But I guess that's it. It's just a quick little tip on installing stacks. You can even see that here I have that same lock on all of the mufflers. That way all the mufflers, as soon as I loosen that lock, the mufflers just spin right off, because you don't tighten them all the way down as tight as you can get them to keep them from moving. But there you go, that's it. It's your friendly neighborhood Zippo. 6-minute video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Later. I am out of here, and I promise you I will be on the next one.